for the 89 calculators. And again, I've worked out this problem algebraically, but this one I'm going to work out purely on your calculator. So the path of a football can be modeled by the following quadratic, where x is the distance in yards the football is kicked, and y is the height in yards the football is kicked. So we are going to find the maximum height of the football and how far did the punter kick the ball. So if you think about, let's say a punter's kicking a ball, they're going to kick it, it's going to go up, and then it's going to come back down. You see that nice path of a quadratic. So the maximum height, aka vertex, right? Max, min, always think vertex, is going to be that y-coordinate. How far did he kick the ball? Wherever it started to wherever it ended is going to be that distance, right? So I'm going to look at this on my calculator to see if I don't hopefully have to do any algebra. So I'm going to go to my y equals, clear out old stuff, type in this equation, negative 0.035 x squared plus 1.4x plus 1, press enter. I'm going to do a standard window, so I'm going to go to zoom F2 and 6 for standard, and hopefully see, I do see something. I don't see enough, so I need to adjust obviously my x max here to see more, so I'm going to go to my window, diamond F2, and change my x max to maybe 30. And let's just see if that helps. So graph it. And well, I'm not seeing my maximum either, so I better, nope, that wasn't enough. And again, that's okay. And if you're familiar with football, you knew that wasn't enough. So I'm going to go back to my window, and I'm going to adjust my y max and my x max so I can see that full parabola. So my y max, let's make it 50, and let's make it 70. And my y max, let's change that to 25. And again, just kind of playing around with it. And there it is. I can see my full parabola. So now I want the maximum height, so I want to find the vertex, which is on my calculator a maximum. So I'm going to go to F5, choose maximum, get to my maximum. For lower bound, it's go to a little bit to the left of your maximum and press enter. For upper bound, it's go a little bit to the right of your maximum. So this point is 2015. So that means the maximum height is the y-coordinate, so the maximum height of my football is 15 yards. How far did it kick? Well, you can see that the kicker would be at the origin, so this distance to here is 20, so this must be another 20. So how far did the punter kick the ball then? Another 40 yards. Now if you don't like that method, I can go over here and find this x-intercept. So from 0, it's roughly starting at 0, it's probably not perfect, to this point. So if I go back to F5 and choose 0, if you want to go that route, you certainly can. And lower bound, again, is going to be to the left of my 0, so that's good. Upper bound is going to be to the right of my 0, and that's at 40 yards. Actually 40.7, but this point probably right here is negative 0.7, so that balances out to 40 yards. And there you go. Not too bad.